Welcome viewers, Dr. J.W. Ayub. When Australia stopped recognising itself, when national gratitude became an uncomfortable emotion. Have you ever hesitated before saying you were grateful to be Australian? In Australia, gratitude was never criticised directly. It simply became qualified, and people jumped on that bandwagon. People still spoke thankfully about opportunities, healthcare, education and safety. But expressing gratitude for Australia itself increasingly attracted awkward smiles, careful questions or quiet suspicion. The expected language shifted. Be thankful for your family, be thankful for your community, be thankful for your success if you haven't. Just avoid sounding too thankful for the nation itself, the nation of Australia. Daniel discovered this by accident. After becoming a mentor for newly arrived families, he attended a welcome event where everyone was invited to share a few words. One young immigrant stood and said, with genuine emotion, "I feel lucky to become Australian." The room applauded politely. And later, an organiser quietly suggested that future speeches should focus more on global citizenship than national gratitude, so every attendee would feel equally included. Daniel watched the young man's excitement fade into what could only be described as confusion. He had expected his appreciation to be welcomed, but instead he had unknowingly crossed an invisible social line. Driving home, Daniel wondered when gratitude had become something that required moderation. Nobody argued that Australia was perfect. Nobody suggested its history was without flaws. The question was way more simpler than that. If people cannot openly express gratitude for the country they have chosen or inherited, what emotional foundation remains beneath citizenship? Nobody outlawed appreciation. Nobody discouraged it in writing. It merely became safer to direct gratitude almost anywhere else. And that's how affection quietly weakened in Australia. Not because people stopped feeling gratitude for the nation, but because they slowly learned that someone, somewhere, in some way, that our emotions are better off left unspoken. Viewers, a nation does not lose confidence only when its people begin criticising it. In the case of Australia, sometimes it begins when they become reluctant to thank it out loud. And that, viewers, is when Australia stopped recognising itself.